One hard lean lemma is not the main enemy here. A research paper fails at scale. Statements drift, dependencies tangle, context goes stale, and a repair in one corner can corrupt a proof far away. LeanMarathon treats auto-formalization as a durability problem. The central object is an evolving blueprint. It is a lean file, but also a natural language proof graph and the shared system of record. Each theorem or lemma is a node, a lean type, a prose statement, a proof sketch, and declared dependencies living side by side. Four agents act on that blueprint with narrow contracts. The blueprinter drafts the skeleton. The target reviewer audits whether the root theorems say what the paper meant. Workers prove one ready node at a time. The refiner repairs connected regions when an issue exposes drift or a real source gap. Stage 1 is deliberately adversarial. Before proof search begins, the target statements are reviewed against the canonical mathematical claims. If a mismatch appears, it becomes an issue. The refiner patches the affected subgraph, and CI checks the blueprint again. Only a clean review opens the proving stage. Stage 2 proves the graph from its dynamic leaves upward. A leaf is an unproved node whose dependencies are already proved. Independent workers attack those leaves in parallel, but every proof PR must pass deterministic CI. Passing patches merge into main. Failed patches become local diagnostics instead of poisoning the whole development. The interesting signal comes from formalization pressure. The compiler can collapse a false estimate to one less than or equal to 0, expose a vacuous real series because lean totalizes divergent sums, or reveal a missing mathlib theorem. The refiner then classifies the defect as blueprint drift or a source gap and repairs the graph. On two recent Erdős-problem papers, LeanMarathon formalized all 7 target theorems. Across 3 autonomous runs, it produced 258 proved lemmas and theorems, with 0 remaining sorry placeholders. The hardest run reached 14,592 lean lines, while a commercial single-agent baseline failed on the same inputs. The lesson is not that one model suddenly became a perfect mathematician. It is that long-horizon proof work needs a harness, a durable blueprint, scoped agents, external review, and CI gates that keep every local transaction tied to the original theorem.